Is your Wi-Fi struggling with dead zones and lag? Meet the ASUS ZenWiFi XT9, a blazing fast tri-band mesh Wi-Fi 6 system that promises whole home coverage, top-tier speeds, and rock-solid stability. But is it really the best mesh router system of 2025, or just another overpriced upgrade? Stick around, we stress-tested it so you don't have to. Spoiler, it might just be the last router you'll need for years. Product overview. The ASUS ZenWiFi XT9 is a tri-band Wi-Fi 6 system, launched in late 2022, but it's making big waves in 2025 as one of the most reliable, future-proof home networking solutions. Built by ASUS, a leader in high-performance networking gear, the XT9 targets users who want fast, seamless connectivity across large homes or offices, especially gamers, streamers, and smart home enthusiasts. With dual 2.5 gigabits per second WAN LAN ports, a powerful backhaul connection, and coverage of up to 5,700 square feet, it's designed to kill lag, boost coverage, and eliminate buffering for good. Performance. When it comes to performance, the ZenWiFi XT9 delivers big time. In real-world testing across a 3,500 square foot suburban home, the speeds remain consistently high, over 800 megabits per second in most rooms, even on the second floor and outdoors. Thanks to its tri-band design, one 5 GHz band is dedicated to backhaul communication, meaning your connected devices won't compete for bandwidth. Even with over 30 devices connected, including 4K smart TVs, gaming consoles, PCs, and smart home hubs, the XT9 held strong. Zero dropped connections, no noticeable slowdowns. Whether we were streaming Netflix in 4K, gaming on PS5, or joining Zoom calls, performance remained smooth and lag-free. Features and tech. The XT9 packs a lot of cutting-edge tech under the hood. Here are the top standout features. Tri-band Wi-Fi 6 AX7800. This means it supports a theoretical max speed of 7,800 Mbps with one dedicated 5 GHz band for backhaul, ensuring faster and more stable performance for your devices. AI mesh support. You can mix and match the XT9 with other ASUS routers, expanding your mesh network with ease. Perfect for upgrading over time. 2.5 gigabits per second WAN LAN port. This future-proofs your network for multi-gig internet plans, ensuring you're getting every dollar's worth of that speed as ISPs catch up. All of this is managed through the ASUS Router app, which gives users easy control, insights, and customization from anywhere. Design and build. Visually, the ASUS ZenWiFi XT9 is sleek and modern, with a vertical, cylindrical design that blends well into any decor. Available in black or white, the matte finish resists fingerprints and dust, and the compact size means you can place it discreetly on bookshelves, counters, or desktops. Each unit feels solidly built, and the LED indicator light on the front is subtle, not distracting, just enough to give status updates without lighting up your room at night. Ventilation is smartly placed to prevent overheating even during heavy usage. Overall, the XT9 combines form and function in a premium minimal package. Pros: blazing fast tri-band Wi-Fi 6 speeds, excellent multi-gig support with 2.5 gigabits per second ports, seamless whole home coverage with AMesh, comprehensive built-in security and parental controls. Cons: on the expensive side for smaller households. No Wi-Fi 6E, future-proofing stops short. Slightly bulky for very tight spaces. Setup and installation. Setting up the XT9 is remarkably simple, even for non-techies. Using the ASUS Router app, the whole setup process took under 10 minutes. Just plug in the first unit, connect to your modem, power on, and the app walks you through adding the second node via QR code. You can customize SSIDs, choose backhaul preferences, and even assign specific devices to each band for load balancing. Price and value. Retailing at around $449 for a 2-pack, the ASUS ZenWiFi XT9 isn't cheap, but for what it delivers, it's solid value. Competing systems like the Netgear Orbi RB852 or Eero Pro 6 either cost more or don't match the XT9's flexibility and port selection. If you're paying for a gigabit internet plan, the XT9 ensures you're getting every dollar's worth of that speed. Final verdict. So is the ASUS ZenWiFi XT9 the best tri-band mesh system of 2025? For most power users, absolutely. It delivers incredible speeds, rock-solid reliability, and great customization, all packed into a sleek and easy-to-use system. It's ideal for large homes, smart homes, and gamers who need consistent connectivity across multiple devices. While it may be overkill for small apartments or casual users, for those who demand top-tier performance and future-proof features, the XT9 is worth every penny.